Okay, here we are today. We got the bed put on late last night. Thought it was just gonna be a simple act. Set the bed on there, get it bolted down. But we ran into another problem. Hopefully this is the last problem. Is what happened is this is the bed upright support. I had to cut it off. The bed's not sitting on there right. The holes don't match up. I'll take you and I'll walk you through here and show you. You can see this gap. It just keeps getting bigger and bigger and bigger. The support back here, all these supports have been welded on wrong. So if you see this upright support, they're all welded wrong. We can't get bolts in. These bolts won't go in. We got a couple in up there because, well, this one here I cut off. This one cut off, it was welded on like this much too high. So, that's what we got. So I'm gonna go in here. You guys get to see me do it. I thought this would be a very simple task. Just like putting this chrome on. I popped it on before I put the bed on. It popped right on, and I set the bed on it quickly yesterday afternoon late, and this is what we've run into. Let me grab this flashlight here. If you can see down in there, that hole's over a half a hole off. This one barely goes in. These, you're running threads trying to beat them in. So everything has got to be cut back off, and the bed's set back on right. If you look here, another thing is where this is sitting right now to get these bolts in, is that this bedside sticks out here all the way down it. So if you see that, so the bed is actually sitting this way, close to 1/4 of an inch. And I'm not even so sure that it's actually sitting on here straight in the back like that. So I'm gonna end up string lining it and throwing a laser on it. But if you look here, see this? I can touch there. So yeah, I mean, not cool. It doesn't surprise me. Okay, I got our ride height set. Air ride hook back up. We're sitting exactly level where we want to be. And I'm gonna take measurements on this body line all the way around, because this body line should meet perfectly right here. I'm gonna pull all the bolts out of it that are stuck down there. I think I only got one left, two left, but then that's gonna tell me where I need to sit, cut. From this point right here, this is 42 1/4. Should be 42 1/2. So that's 42 1/4. Right here is 42 3/4. That means this is a 1/2 inch taller than that right there. This is 3/8. 3/8. This is sitting 3/8 higher on this side. So I honestly think that side is going to be workable. I don't think that I'll have to cut anything off of that side on the bracket wise. I'm going to cut everything off of this side. So I have to pick the bed back up off the frame, and we're going to cut everything off of this side, and then I'm gonna reposition them as I need. So I'll have to take jacks and everything like that to set this thing level. So you can see I've already cut one off, and I shimmed and shimmed and shimmed. And I'm really close in the front, but it's not. I really think it's all back here in this back panel, and it's holding everything up. So. DieboldAutoBody.com. Check us out at DieboldAutoBody.com. We got sock caps, ball caps, Richardson style hats. We got long sleeve, short sleeve, long sleeve, short sleeve, and 2 different designs. We got a gas monkey look going on here. Check us out, DieboldAutoBody.com. Get your merch on today. Alright, we got the bed lined out. Everything's sitting right where we want it. Finally, after 10 hours plus of cutting, sawing, grinding, welding, cussing, we got it all leveled out. You've seen we cut all the brackets. Every one of them down this side we cut, and I had to cut the back. The back was sitting 3/8 too high. And what I done is I leveled the truck because brought our ride height to our ride height, and then I leveled the truck and then that's where I put my ride height at. So we want the truck going perfectly level down the road. So after I got it completely level all the way around, I hooked my laser up here, as you see. So I got my laser, and I got it on the side of the post here, and I set both sides perfectly level. So what I wanted was this body line from that front of that door all the way to here and all the way back around, perfectly level. And as you see, this is our tape line that gives me that body line, top of that body line, and that's where my chrome's gonna sit. So if you look, you see where we're at right here. I mean, this is perfectly level coming off there. We keep coming, you see we're bam, bam. All the way we're hitting right there perfect. So the truck has a really good stance. We're sitting at ride height right now on our number 2 setting. So we got it ready to go, and we can continue on and try to get this build finished up. So walk around and check it out right quick. That's what we had to do to get the bed to fit. Notice we don't have a really wide gap here anymore. We don't have a tight gap here anymore. It's a beautiful straight gap all the way up down here. Beautiful straight across. Our height fits perfect all the way around. So everything turned out fine, and I'm really proud of what we got done here.